Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathaniel and Adriana. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Got to light the candle now. Light the candle. Yeah, Nat's come now.
Don't let her touch the...
No one's saying. Oh! Oh, that was a big smile, Adriana.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, that's like, you go for it, Nat, go for it. Nat.
Okay.
Oh, you stopped.
Yeah,
Oh, and don't eat the paper. You probably not like it so much. Well, I don't know. We'll think.
I don't know, it's Mummy's cooking.
I've got another side.
That was it, yeah.
That's it.
Nice paper.
Yum yum. Yum yum. Oh God, Mummy's cooking's rubbish.
Do I ever tell you the tale
Come
of
on,
my
Nat's
mother's
eating heads
bread?
up.
Oh, is he? Or is he fiddling?
I'm trying to get in here, I'll put it on.
Yeah. Do you want me to? Yeah, it's right, I'll give it back, I promise I'll give it back. There we go.
Don't give it.
Yum yum.